The objective of this lesson is to find quotients of numbers divided by 10, including decimals to the thousandth place. In 4th grade, students learned how to find 10 times a number, and they understand the language of divided by 10. We will be building upon that knowledge. Let's look at the following example. Sam earned $20 for mowing lawns. He spent 1/10 of his money on a drink and snack after a hard day of work. How much did Sam spend on treats? Your child might recognize that 1/10 of 20 is 20 divided by 10. Most students should be able to quickly solve this using multiplication facts to help them. For example, what multiplied by 10 is 20? The answer, of course, is 2, so Sam spent $2 on treats. Now let's use our place value chart to look at what is happening to the digits. Remember that 20 can also be written as 2 tens. Each of those tens is made up of 10 ones, and when we divide by 10 or break it into 10 equal groups, it is equal to 2 ones. Notice that the digit 2, which was in the tens place, moves 1 place to the right to represent 2 ones when we divide by 10. As we look at other problems, you will want to notice with your child if this pattern of moving the digits 1 place to the right holds true for all numbers. Now, division is not the only way to represent this problem. In the original problem, it said that he spent 1/10 of his money, or 1/10 of 20. The of is a signal that this can be represented with multiplication. We would write the equation beginning with the fraction 1/10 and multiply it by 20. Students can draw upon their knowledge of the relationship of fractions and decimals to understand that the fraction 1/10 can also be written as a decimal. 1/10 times 20 still equals 2. Let's look at a different problem. Liam spends 32 5/10 hours each week at school. 1/10 of the time he is on a computer. How much time does he spend on a computer each week? What are some expressions that would represent this problem? Learning from previous problems, we know that this is a division problem, so we could write 32 5/10 divided by 10. Also, we are taking 1/10 of a number, so we could write 1/10 times 32 5/10. The commutative property tells me that we can reverse the order of these numbers to create another multiplication expression of 32 5/10 times 1/10, and then again change the fraction to a decimal to create another equation. Now, looking back at our chart, let's find the solution to the problem. When we divide 3 tens by 10, that would make 3 ones, which moves this digit 1 place to the right. When we divide 2 ones by 10, I get 2 tenths, moving that digit 1 place to the right. Dividing 5 tenths by 10 would equal 5 hundredths, also moving that digit 1 place to the right. Notice again the pattern of dividing by 10 moves each digit 1 place to the right. Our objective in this lesson was to find quotients of numbers divided by 10, including decimals to the thousandth place. We met this objective by using models and looking for patterns within a place value chart. We used our observations to generalize that when a number is divided by 10, the digits of that number move 1 place to the right.